Hi there. So I'll just be demoing the app, my first video for how it looked like before starting the development. So here's the sign in page, and we can also register. Um, so I'm just gonna be, but I already have an account, so I'll just be logging in. And here's my email, and I'll just enter a password. So my password's pretty simple. And yeah, so once I sign in, I can see the page with the Bluetooth, the switches page, and we can turn on the Bluetooth directly from the app. So Bluetooth's been turned off, so that's why it's telling me to turn it on. So once I turn it on, I can scan the devices using the search bar on the bottom right. And then I will see the sensor. So as you can see in the camera, there's a sensor near me which is blipping, so that's why I can see an EasyBuild sensor. So once I connect it, this light turns on, the red light, that means it's connected, and I can see the services. And this download button is just to read the values. So currently everything's 0 0, but if I change, so I can write to the sensor as well. So if I write the low value, the status will become 16, and the power level is 2441. So it's being converted. I need to fix the UI as well for this one. So yeah, that's the functionality. So I can change it to other orange color, and yeah, it updates as well. So I can write to the sensor, and whatever the power level is, so this is in decimal, so I should be able to see the power here live, but it's 0 kilowatts since there's a problem. Actually hard coded the sensor's MAC addresses, and since the sensor is different now, so I don't have the power level. And the on duration comes up when I disconnect from the sensor. So if I disconnect, yeah, it's disconnected. As you can see, it's blinking again. And if I check the dashboard, so yeah, so the last on duration was 76 seconds. So that's working perfectly, but the power level isn't. So I need to work on the power level. And but yeah, that's the app. Also, I can connect to more than one sensor. So let's introduce another sensor. And so the FC one is on the right, and let's just change the color for this to green, and the other one, oh, that's also FC, and the other one was EA, so that's the third one on the table. Yeah, so now you can see the sensor on the left has also been connected, so you can see we can connect to more than one sensor and change their values as well. And if I disconnect, apparently the seconds only change once all the sensors have been disconnected. So that's a bit secondary issue I have to work on. But yeah, let's just disconnect from both the sensors to see the value changes. So both the sensors have been disconnected. You can see both are blinking. So it just shows the duration of the sensor with the highest amount of time connected. And yes, I need to add logic on how to work with multiple sensors, but first need to fix with one sensor. But yeah, that was the app. There's the bills page, but it basically doesn't have anything, and this is just the demo from EasySpot. So just gonna skip this, and thank you.